Welcome to the world of Aarogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Aarogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Aarogya portal provided to you with Aarogya HMIS.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the various reports available in the daycare section of our system. These reports gives us a detailed overview of patient services, consultant performance, discounts and dues, all in one place. Our first report is the daycare report, which provides a detailed view of all the patients availing services in the daycare module. It includes information such as the patient's name, guardian's name, consultant name, room number and mobile number. We also have helpful filters like selecting by department, consultant, organization or even a specific date. For example, if we want to see only the patients consulted by Dr. Aditya Singh, we can simply select his name and print the report. This makes it easy for the administration to narrow down data quickly. The next report is the daycare service report. This report shows all the service provided to patients in the daycare unit. It includes how many times each service was given, how much revenue it generated, and if any discounts were applied by the doctors. This helps to track both service utilization and financial performance effectively. The next report is Daycare Discount Report. In this report, we can view the discounts provided to patients either by the doctor or by the administration. For example, on 7th May, a patient named Mahesh Khan received a service worth Rs 199 and was given a Rs 10 discount, so he paid Rs 189. This report helps in monitoring and managing discounts offered in the daycare department. The next report is the Consultation report. This report tracks the performance of consultants working in the daycare. For example, Dr. Ram Singhania and other doctors who have seen patients are listed here, along with the number of consultations done. It's a great way for the management to review the workload and contributions of each consultant individually. Our final report is the Daycare Dues report, which provides details of all the patients who have pending payments. For example, on 8th, a patient named Salman Connors received daycare services and has a pending dues of Rs 16,000. His contact details are also listed in the report. This makes it easier for the finance team to follow up on the unpaid bills. So today we have covered the key reports in our daycare module, including Daycare Register Report, Service Report, Discount Report, Consultation Report, Daycare Dues Report. These reports make hospital operations more efficient by giving a clear, organized view of all the daycare activities.
Thank you for watching.